Okay, let's say you're like me and you made the mistake of signing up for the College Board Student Search Service. The way it works is that on a College Board exam, it'll say like, let me know about scholarships and colleges. You hit the check mark and you start getting spam like this. Will you fill us in on the details? Hello, name. We received your information from the search service. Okay. And if you want to filter these, delete these, or put them into spam, this is what you would do. Okay, so for me, I want to put them into a folder. I'm going to call it colleges. And if you want to go into spam or deleted, then you can skip the step. Okay, go to colleges. And that's the important part. We're going to make a rule. And we know that if it has student search service, then it's probably from a college because your teachers won't be saying that casually. So student search service, just gonna call that the rule. And if the subject or body includes this, then we're gonna mark it as red so we don't get notification and put it into this folder called colleges. So move to colleges. And if you want to put it into junk or spam, this is where you would select that. Or even trash. Okay, save. I'm gonna make a new rule in case they don't say that and instead say Office of Admissions. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. Subject or body includes Office of Admissions. We're gonna mark it as red and move it to the colleges folder. Okay, and we can see these in action by hitting play. It might take some time depending on how many you've gotten, but eventually you'll get all of them. Okay, I hope this video helps in filtering these emails.